Hi everyone, I am Shravanti, working as Assistant Professor, Department of AML, St. Martin's Engineering College. Today my topic is Computer Networks, Types and Topologies. Introduction to Computer Networks. Computer networks are essential for modern communication. They enable the sharing of resources, sharing of data, sharing of files or documents. The main purpose of we are using on computer network. We have to computer network to engaging the everything, enable the connections in interconnected to each other. We are connecting with we will explore the types of networks and topologies and the significance of today's digital landscape to maintain the across various devices. Next one, what is computer network? First, we need to understand network. Network is a connection of several computers. The main purpose is to share the resources, sharing the files or documents, sharing the printer, sharing the data, sharing the server. This is network. It's combination of computer network. A computer network is a collection of interconnected devices that communicate with each other. The devices can exchange data and share resources. And next, types of computer networks. Computer networks can be categorized into four types. First one is local area network, wide area network, metropolitan area network, and personal area network. Each type serves different geographical areas and purpose. Influence the way of data is transmitted data, and each one we have to across the worldwide. We are using on emails, audios, videos, sharing the printers. We have to everything will be entire data will be transmitted. That will be data will be transmitted. We have to focus on LAN, WAN or MAN. We have to local area network, wide area network, metropolitan area network and PAN. First we need to understand what is mean by local area network. Local area network LAN. It connects the devices within a limited area, such as for example we are using on home, office or campus. It allows high speed data transfer and resources. We have to any data we are sending on data, that is small LAN spaces. We are using colleges or buildings or offices or any we have to using on apartments. We have to engaging on small LAN space. We are you to connect the entire LANs. The example for this is we are connecting with devices for local area network. We have to connect the sharing of connected devices, making it ideal for small networks. It is large amount of data will be, we have to organizing the sharing of data. The data will be calculating, we have to how much data will be engaging on every LAN. That is for college we are using on one space LAN, second one we have to using on one department or using on one LAN, another department using on one LAN. These all are the different blocks and different LANs we are connecting with the one devices. One devices we are using on one server. We have to maintain the local area network. We have to maintain the completely, we have to devices will be connecting on LAN. That LANs are connecting devices within a span of area, only limited area. That call we have to high speed data transfer and resource sharing. That means we have to any data will be sending on information. That data will be sharing on files, documents, videos, audios, etc. We are using on local area network. Second one, wide area network. Wide area network is spans of large geographical areas. We are using on entire world. We are using on entire world. We are using areas connecting multiple lands. It often utilizes public or leased telecommunication lines. That means public or private sectors we are using on telecommunication channels. We are enabling the organization to communicate across cities, countries or even countries using on entire world. We are how to connecting on networks. We are using on some topologies and we are connecting on devices. We are using on repeaters, hubs, switches and LANs we are connecting, we are connecting. Next one, metropolitan area network. We are connecting a larger than LAN but is smaller than WAN. It is typical connects multiple LANs within a city, facilitating communication and resource sharing among local organization. We are using on within the city, within the state, within the distance. We have to everything will be. We have to send the LAN and the MAN. We are combined on WAN. That means wide area network. These two combination LAN and MAN. We are combination of metropolitan area network, local area network. We combination of wide area network. That means we have to small areas and larger areas. We have to communicate to each other. That is called WAN. We have to send the data. We have to large amount of data. Large amount of data we are using on metropolitan area network. Small amount of data will be using on that is a LAN. That kind of data we have to sharing the entire data will be you have to using on that is wide area network. Wide area network we are connecting with each other. We have to using on different LANs, different devices, and we have to mans or we are connecting with the geographical area. That means we have to engaging of every typical connects multiple LANs within a city we are using on but is smaller than WAN. How much we will be using on daily speed network, how to speed using on high speed network or networking we have to using on we are connecting with the switches. That means switches, bridges, repeaters, routers. These all are the connected. How to connect the network and different areas of metropolitan area network, local area network and wide area network. We are connecting with small areas, but we are connecting or this means it is a connecting multiple LANs with using on utilizations, public and leasing communication. That means we are such as home, speed network and resource sharing, connecting different various locations. We are connecting on main important of computer networks types, and we are connecting on that one. First local area network and wide area network and metropolitan area network. Last one is personal area network. That is we are connecting with personal information only within the home, within your mobile, within your hotspot to connecting your laptop or desktop or tab. We are connecting with only 1 to 10 meters below. We are connecting on PAN. That means personal area network. We are connecting with, we have to using on small areas or 10 meters below. We are using on hotspot or Bluetooth. We are sharing on resource person. We have to any kind of data we have to share that using on hotspot. That is called personal area network. Next one we have to discussing next what is network topology. Next topic that one we have to using on how to connect the computer network types and topology. And topology means topology is refers to the physical and logical arrangement of nodes and connecting network. It defines how device communicate with each other. That is 5 types of topologies. That means first one star topology, ring topology, mesh topology, bus topology, tree topology, hybrid topology. These all are the different types. First one, star topology. In a star topology, all nodes are connected to a central hub or switch. That means we are connecting with a central hub or switch. That means we are connecting all devices. For example, I am using 6 devices. We have to connecting all central switch or central hub or LAN. That means we are connecting with a configuration for easy communication and troubleshooting. That means we have to identifying the every communication channel, and we have to identifying the any error. We have to identifying the any error mistakes. We have to clear the troubleshooting problems. One connection fail. For example, these 6 devices we have to connect the hub, but one connection is fail. For example, we are connection fail, there is no other devices, there is no problem about that. After moving on, these all devices will be one line we have to connect. That is star topology. It does not affect others, enhancing reliability. And however, the central devices represents is main important centralized data we have to communication. This is main important on centralized data. How to communicate to each other, only one line. That means no other effects on any failure of transaction. There is no other transaction we have to failure. And another one, we have to rectifying the communication and troubleshooting. After moving on, second one, ring topology. In a ring topology, each device connected to 2 others. That means device 1 connected to device 2 and 6, device 5 connected to device 4 connected to 5 and 3, next device 2 connected device 1 and device 6, device 3 connected device 4 and 5. We have to communicate to each pathway. For example, each device is connected to others, forming a circular pathway for data. Data travels in one direction, which can reduce the collision. That means that time we have to send the data, that is a collision occur. That means transaction fail. So we are using on, we have to find out on rectifying switch, that is a connection of switch. We have to identify in the switch hub, we have to identify and what are the error, we have to update, and next we have to move the next one. After moving on these devices, we have to device 6, device 2, device 1. After clear the transaction is successfully completed. Second one moving on, that is device 3 and 5, device 4. That connection between two communication channels. We are connection on physical layers of, we are using on physical layers. Communication channel means we are using on physical layers, different layers forming on that. What are the layers we have to using on? Application layer, transport layer, network layer, and data link layer. We are using on different layers. We are using this layer ring topology. That one we have to data link layer and physical layer. That means communication to each between 1-2 persons. That means we have to communication. A failure in any device can disturb the entire network. That means there is no disturb on only one system. That means entire system we have to fail. Only one system failure transaction, that 3 systems are disturbing. And second one system will be disturbed, 3 systems are disturbing. That means we have to rectifying the switch hub. We have to rectifying, and after moving on, clear the troubleshooting, we have to clear and pathway for data communication. Data communication between, we have to data communication channel, and we have to failure of any transaction, we have to rectifying the physical communication channel. We have to using on ring topology. In a ring topology, each device is connected to each other, form a circular pathway for data. Data travels in one direction, which can reduce a collisions. A failure in any device can disturb the entire network. That is a significant of devices will be failed. Next one, mesh topology. In a mesh topology, every device is connected to every other device. That means these all are the 6 devices we have to using. These 6 devices will be, we are interconnected to each other. Every device 1 connected to device 4, device 4 connected to device 1, device 2 connected device 3, device 2 connected 6 and 4. We are interconnected to each other. That means we are in a mesh topology. Every device is connected to every other device, creating a multiple pathways for data. This configuration enhance redundancy and fault tolerance. That means we have to send the data, that is device is not fail, but sometimes device is fail, so other device will be sending on data. That is, we are using a mesh topology. That means it a critical application, we are making it highly reliable for critical applications. That it can be complex and costly to implement. That is, we are using on interconnection. These 6 devices, and we are connecting on 6 devices, but all devices connected to interconnected. This is a mesh topology. This is the mesh topology. Next one, that bus topology. What is meant by bus topology? In a bus topology, all devices share a single communication. It is a single communication devices for data addressed to them. That means data is transmitted both directions. Data is transmitted both directions, and devices for data addressed to them. While it is cost effective, a failure in the main cable, it bring down the entire network. We are using on bus topology, we are connected with only single cable. That means first we will have two sides are terminators. We are using on 4 connection systems are enabled, and we are sending on only single cable. That single cable will be using on, while it is cost effective, there is no issue about that, there is no data, will be automatically send the data. Any system is failure, we have to affect from all devices. That means we are connecting with only one LAN. So we are connecting with only one LAN. So first node 1 is failure of transaction, node 2, node 4, node 3, node 5. For example, we have these, all are the systems are transaction failure. After making a time and after clearing the errors or rectifying the failure of transaction. It's the time is taken. After moving on, we have to one by one. Line is clear. LAN is using on cable. That means LAN. The local area network we are using on bus topology. We are using bus topology. We are using on local area network. It is cost effective. That is a transmitted data in both directions in a single communication. It all devices sharing all devices a single communication line or cable. That is called bus topology. All devices share a single communication line or cable. Data is transmitted in both directions. That is called bus topology. And next move on, tree topology. Tree topology combines a characteristics of star and bus topology, featuring a hierarchical structure with multiple levels of nodes. Multiple levels of nodes. This allows for effective scalability and organization, making it suitable for large networks with diverse requirements. That means we have to form the device 1 and device 2, device 3, next to device 4, device 5, device so on. We are using on tree topology means that when main server, device 1 is a main server database. We are connecting with a different small databases we are connecting, and another one devices are connecting device 4, device 5, device 6. These all are the connection on tree topology. We have to featuring on combines of characteristics of star and bus topologies. Next one, hybrid topology. Next one, hybrid topology. A hybrid topology combines two or more different topologies to average their strengths. This flexibility of allows for tailored solutions based on specific network needs, optimizing performance and reliability while addressing unique challenges. We are using on these all are the we are connecting with the LANs and WANs. We are connecting with the three types of computers. This one man, this one LAN, this one WAN. These are all are the communicate to completely. We have to using an hybrid topology. We have to communicate to everything will be combines of two or more different topologies to leverage the services of we have to communicate to LAN, WAN, MAN. We are connecting with the PAN means another different way. We have to using an for example we are connecting with connecting with for example we are connecting first we are using on video. This is we have to how to this is video for computer networks, network types. These all are the network types. Network types depend on how large they are and how much on area geographically. First, we need to, most people who have a basic knowledge of networking are familiar with terms of LAN and WAN. We are using on LAN and WAN daily life. We are using on communicate to LAN and WAN. We are connecting with the network types. These are next one. We have to first one personal area network, that is network that used on personal. We are using on personal means laptop and mobiles and tabs or electronic devices we are connecting with the PAN. Next one, local area network, a group of devices, computers or servers, switches, printers that connected to LAN. That means we are connecting with the example of all cables we are connecting with the LAN that in close proximity to each other. The most common type of LAN or with Ethernet we are using on LAN. That means we have to connecting with the LAN Ethernet. We are using on Ethernet. Next one, wireless local area networks. Wireless area networks means we are connecting with the without wireless. Directly we have to communicate to wire connections. That means we have to instead of wired communication. That means we are completely we have to connecting with the span of over severe buildings in a city or town. And moving on, metropolitan area network larger than CAN, that means campus area network or wide area network. We are using a wide area network and CAN, that means campus area network also there. And spans over a network we have to using a this another location, this one another location, this one another location. We are three parts of different locations we connecting with the CAN, that means metropolitan area network or wide area network we are using, that means WAN. Next one, network topologies. What are network topology? A topology is the large, we are connecting with the hub or switch. We are connecting with the star topology. These all are the star topology. We are connecting with the switch or hub. This one switch or hub. We are connecting. Next one, star topology. These all are the star topology. We are connecting with the ring topology. We have to ring means first start with one device to second one device to device 3, device 3 to device 4. We are connecting with totally ring. And we have to share the entire data, we have to communicate to. On 1, 2%, 2%, 3, 3 and 4. We are connecting with the ring topology. Next, bus topology. Bus topology, we have to single cable or terminators. We are connecting with the all cables. We are connecting with the all cables. Next one, we have to mesh topology. Mesh topology means we are connected interconnection. Already we have to show them. We have to all our interconnections. We have to first device 1, device 2, device 3, device 4. All device 1 connected with the device 3, device 3 connected with the device 4, device 4 connected with the device 2. These all are the connected with the mesh topology, that called mesh topology. Next one, we are connecting with the internet. How to connecting in the internet? We are using on this internet. We are using on first one, second one, third one, fourth one. We are connecting with the single cable lines, LANs, WANs and MANs. We are connecting with the devices. Next one. Note, we have to discussing about four types of computer networks. First one, LAN. Second one, MAN. Third one, WAN. Fourth one, PAN. This is first local area network. Second one, metropolitan area network. Next, WAN, wide area network. Wide area networks. Next one, personal area network. First one, we have to already discussing local area network. Local area network, we have to connecting with the different LANs. We are connecting the small areas. How to connect the small areas? First, we are discussing LAN and MAN, WAN, PAN. We have to first one, LAN. First we are connecting with devices. Devices will be connected on LANs. Device 1, device 2, device 3, device 4. We are connecting with a single cable, that means LAN, local area network. This is the diagram for LAN. We are connecting. Next one, metropolitan area network. We are connecting with different devices. Switch or hub. That is called centralized data. We have to using on centralized data MAN. That means we have to device 1, device 2, device 3 and device 4. These all are the we have to communicate to switch or hub. These all are the we have to connect the switch or hub. That is called MAN and LAN. Next one. Third one, wide area network. First, we are connecting with LANs. We are connecting with LANs on single cable. Single cable. Next, we are connecting with MANs. That means all centralized data we have to communicate. Centralized data we have to communicate. That is switch or hub. We are communicate switch or hub. These two are combination of wide area network. These two are combination of wide area network. And moving on, personal area network. PAN. This is PAN is connecting. PAN is connecting with personal using or one to one. That means we have to using on mobile, laptop, system, desktop, and all electronic devices. These all are the different electronic devices. We are connecting with Wi-Fi or hotspot, mobile data. We are connecting with the mobile data. These all are the connecting on one person to another person. This is only we are using on home. We are using on Wi-Fi, offices, buildings, apartments. We are organization. Some organization only we are connecting with the only one database server. That is called PAN. This is the PAN. Next, moving on, topologies. First one, bus topology. Bus topology. That means we are connecting. Bus topology, that means connecting single cable. We are connecting with a single cable. We are connecting with a single cable. Device 1, device 2, device 3. We have to continue with the bus topology. We have to connecting with the every single cable. That means coaxial cable. We have to LAN and coaxial cable. We have to communicate to each other. That is only one cable. We have to communicate to only one line. That is LAN and coaxial cable. That is bus topology. Next, star topology. Four different devices will be connecting centralized data. Centralized data we have to continue. These all are the, we have to 1, 2, second, third and 4. We are connecting with the centralized information, centralized data. This is the star topology. First device 1 sending on device 2, device 3 and next device 4. We have to entire data will be sending on one information. That is called, for example, we are using on one of college, SMEC college. That will be, we have to centralize the information, only one database server. We have to, everything will be starting on GD sir, next PM and after sending on HODs and different students. We are using on bus topology. That means, and bus topology, and as well as we are using on star topology. Next, mesh topology. Mesh topology means interconnected. All are interconnected. All devices are interconnected. All devices called interconnected. Interconnect to each other. That is called mesh topology. Next, ring topology. Ring topology means we are connecting with ring. We have to send the information Automatically we have to share the first information, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. We have to share the one to one. First one to starting with one device, last device is sixth. That will be, we have to sending all the rotating share. We have to information rotating way. We have to communicate to ring topology. This one ring topology. Next last one, tree topology. Tree topology. We have to first main database server where communicate two datas and different sharing devices. Different sharing devices. This is tree topology. This is main server. Next different databases will be connecting. Next different departments. Example on different departments. We have to this one CSE, AML, EC, Triple. This maintain the every department we have to maintain the LAN. Every department maintain the LAN. We have to LAN will be connecting on main database server. After this is the tree topology. Okay, this is the overall of tree topology. Today this is my topic. We have to discussing about what is meant by computer networks, types and topologies. Thank you everyone.